getting kind of late in the morning, and we still have failed to find a restaurant that will seat our whole family, which is 6 people. Not that much. But we still just can't seem to find someone that will do that. So we're gonna just keep walking around so someone will see us, I guess. It's now Sunday, so we're gonna go to church, and then we're gonna go to Zara. We're gonna go to the mall and get another bubble tea probably. And yeah, we're just gonna have like a more chill day. But I will see you guys after church. Insane, and we stopped at every single floor for like 42 floors. Oh my goodness. So we just got out of church and we're gonna go to the mall. I showed my hair up and I can't tell if it looks like really bad or like kind of good. I don't know. Okay guys, it's our last day today, and like full day, and I cannot believe I didn't update you guys. I didn't film at all today. I'm kind of disappointed in myself, but we were just at the beach and I didn't want to get my camera all sandy and make it stop working. But we're eating our last dinner of the trip, which is so sad. I've been so tired today, so yeah. We're walking around just in the city. I've seen like 4 influencers, not including me. I don't really consider myself an influencer, but yeah, I've seen 4 like people either doing vlogs or like making videos, There's this one guy that was like making a TikTok, like a challenge, like hanging on the bar for 140 seconds, get $140, like that type of thing. And there's 3 other people that were just like vlogging. I feel like my hair wasn't really hearing today, not gonna lie. I just dropped my mic and my glasses. Spotting another influencer, like these 2 girls that are talking to a camera. I think they're just like, yeah, just like talking, having a little chat. But they have like a tripod and like a phone set up. But anyways, I'm getting some gelato and I'm really excited to eat it because I tried the flavor that I'm getting and it's so good. Last day of vacation, and what do I wake up to? What do I wake up to? What? No, and don't mind like my appearances right now. And also like my skin's peeling because I got burned. But you fell? We cannot be for real. This is not how I'm ending. You're not telling me New Jeans is gone. Cat's Eye's gone. Now